Chanel just dropped Bleu de Chanel Le Exclusif, and I got my hands on it early. Is it worth the hype, or is it just another cash grab? So on first spray, you know exactly where you are. It's that pure blue DNA, that crisp opening with the citruses, that smooth, slightly woody backbone. It's a direct continuation of the Parfum. Honestly, if you've worn the Parfum, you'll feel right at home with this one. It's fresh, it's clean, everyday wearable type scent, definitely a compliment grabber in that mass appeal blue style. There isn't a huge twist. It's refined, yeah. Slightly richer, yeah. But at this price point, some people might wonder if it's different enough from the Parfum to justify the jump. So, is it a smart evolution of a classic, or is Chanel just playing it safe to keep the blue train rolling? I'll be honest, it's too early to call it. I'll need to wear it more before I give a verdict, but off of first impressions, it's solid, it's safe, it's blue. The question is that enough for you? Go check it out, see if you can get your hands on a sample. I decided to buy a full bottle because I couldn't get a sample anywhere, because this literally has just dropped. It's not even in the stores yet. But let me know if you've tried it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all of that good stuff. I'll catch you on the next one with a full review. Peace.